Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kishore. In this video, we will see how to use Eclipse. We have already created Eclipse shortcut on the desktop. Let us just double click on the shortcut. It is going to show you a dialog where you need to choose the workspace. Workspace is nothing but a place where all your Java programs will be saved. If in case you wish to create a separate folder and you want to save all your projects in that new folder, you can browse and select that new folder. I am not going to create any folder. I am just choosing this Java examples folder, which I created earlier. And we will click on this launch button. Once Eclipse opens, what you can do is you can go to the file option and choose new. Notice you do not see a Java project. We are going to create a Java project. For the first time when you open Eclipse, you may not see Java project. You would see Maven project, Dynamic Web project because Eclipse opens in Java double E perspective. What you need to do is you need to go to the other option and select the Java project. The moment you select the Java project, you need to click on next and it is going to ask you to enter the project name. We will give a name, basics. So the project name is basics. Most of the times developers give the project name with the multiple words separating by dash. Notice the moment you give dash, the error message telling that invalid module name. For that reason, you uncheck this create module info Java file so that you do not get that error. Let me keep this name and click on finish. Eclipse will ask you to open perspective. This perspective is a Java perspective. So click on the open perspective so that next time onwards when you go to file and new, you do not need to go to the other option to select the Java project. You will get the Java project immediately. And the basic examples project, if you expand, you can see the SRC folder where you can save all your Java programs, and JRE system library is necessary for every Java project. In the SRC folder, you need to create all your Java files. But in Eclipse, you do not get an option to create a Java file. You get an option to create classes, interfaces, and enums. If you create any of these modules like classes, enums, or interfaces, automatically the Java file will be created. We will right click on the project and go to the new option and select the class. The moment I select the class, it will ask you to enter the package and the name, and you will enter the package name like let us enter com.examples. You might be thinking, what is this package and what is the use of it? Package is just to segregate the classes or categorize the classes. So common classes you can keep it in one package, some other related classes you can keep it in some other packages. It is just like a folder. It means packages are like folders. The reason I gave com is in Java, whenever you give the package names separated by dot, what is going to happen is subfolders will be created. So com.examples means a com folder as well as the examples folder will be created, but examples is going to be the subfolder of com. We will give a name to the class. We will give the name as hello, and let me select public static void main method and let me click on finish. So you can increase the font size using Control plus. In case you have not selected the main method checkbox, you will see the empty class, something like this. And notice the package statement called com.examples here. And this package, public, class, all these are keywords. We will discuss these things later. As it is our first program in Eclipse, we will try to write a simple hello world message by writing the main method. In case the main method is not there, you can create the main method. But in Notepad and all, you typed each and every letter. When you are using Eclipse, you don't have to type every letter. You can use the shortcuts. For main method, the shortcut is you have to type a main and use control space. And if you observe, the main method is not there. Let me just once again use the control space and you can observe the main method is appearing. This happens in Eclipse sometimes. You may not get the required statements when you use control space. At that time, you can just do it one more time like this control space and automatically that suggestion will appear. And you select the main method. And notice I am writing the main method inside the class. Because Java is an object-oriented language, everything should be written inside the class. Variables, methods, constructors, everything should be inside the class. You cannot write anything outside the class. Suppose I write main outside the class, it doesn't actually create a main method. It doesn't show any suggestion. Even if I use control space any number of times, it doesn't show any suggestion. So make sure that you are writing everything inside the class. And in the main method, we will create one statement called System.out.println. And again here, you do not need to type every letter of System.out.println. There's a shortcut for System.out.println. Let me comment. So this is called a single line comment, that is to front slash. You have to just type sysout followed by control space. What this is going to do is it is going to show you the system.out.println statement. Let me do that. Sysout, and I will use control space. You can observe sysout is actually being shown here, and we will select it. And notice Eclipse will automatically put the semicolon also. In case you remove the semicolon, observe the Eclipse is showing the error telling that insert semicolon. It means it is automatically compiling your program while you are typing. Let us enter one welcome message like welcome to Eclipse, and we can save it. There is a run button you can observe here. You can just click on that run button. Eclipse will automatically run the main method, and notice you can observe the welcome to Eclipse message. And that is it for this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.